Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can set up payments within Shopify. So having said that, let's jump into the video. So I'm over here on Shopify right now, and what you'll do is just simply log in. If you already have an account, you can just simply log in, but if you don't, you can sign up by entering your email address over here and starting your free trial. There is a pricing plan, however, so let me just show you if you're interested in that one. So over here, as you can see, these are the plans we have, the base, the Shopify, and the advance. You can see their payments over here, how much they cost. As you can see, all of the three plans that we have on your first month, it will just be $1. But after that, the basic one is going to be 29 per month. The Shopify one is going to be 79 per month. And the advanced one is going to be 299. And you can see all of the rates and features that they have over here. And if you scroll down, you can see more stuff as well over here. You can see more features as well within each plan in a more comprehensive and detailed manner so that you can know which plan you want to try out. But yeah, after that, you're good to go and you have arrived to your dashboard. What you're going to do is you scroll down. You're just going to navigate yourself over here at the bottom left corner. You see settings. Click on settings and open up settings. Over here, you will see you have billings, plans, payments, checkouts, and all of that. Just simply click on payments, and over here, you will have three options. You will have payment providers, supported payment methods, and manual payment methods as well. So over here, you have to choose whichever payment method you want. And then, for example, if you wanted to have like payment providers, you just simply click on choose a provider and choose a provider that you want from the list that you can see over here. If you want to add a payment method yourself, you can add that over here. You can just search for a payment method over here. As you can see, we have Visa, MasterCard, Diners, and all of that. Let's say you want a Visa, MasterCard. You can choose that, or you can add like a manual payment system like a bank deposit, money order, or cash on delivery. It all depends on you. So for me, I think I'm going to go with payment providers. And choosing one of these is much easier and better. Like a payment method is not available in your country. If it's not available, you will see it will say something like unavailable within your country, and it will show you the ones that are available at the very top in here. So currently, to check out is available within my country, so I'm going to be choosing that one. It does support a very large number of cards, including Visa, MasterCards, American Express, Discovery JCB, and Diners Club as well. Yeah, so we're going to click on to checkouts account. And then over here, they basically give you like a setup instruction on how to get it working. So they have like a 10-step account, which is very simple. To get started, first we have to create a checkout account. So let's go ahead and click over here. I'm just gonna open a new tab so it's much more convenient. Over here, it's very simple. You can just sign up for free by clicking on this button over here and adding in your details like your first name, your last name, your business email, password, website, and your country. It's very easy. So over here, I'll just say I'll enter, let's say John Doe, and then over here we'll add in our business email address. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And then I'll enter a password for the website, the link address, and come over here and paste it. Yeah, that looks good. Then we have our country. Then after that, we check the robot and then we click on get started. There you go. Now it's done. What we need to do is type or put in the type of products that you want to sell. Let's check the checkout online service digital products for retail offline service or others. So since this is a Shopify store, we'll just say retail and we'll click on create account now. I do have to mention that creating a checkout account is not easy. Like it's not very easy, but it's very short and detailed. So you got to do a lot of things. You got to input a lot of information to actually get started with two checkouts account, which is pretty, hectic for some, but they're just going to ask you for a lot of information in order to get started. So here, basically, if you're a partner slash seller, click here. Just try the same credentials that I just put in earlier. Okay, that works. So now we are here. We just have to activate your account now. So how do we do that? In order to activate your account is very simple. You have to input all this information right here before you start. You got to provide this and you got to add information about your business, your company name, your business type, all of that. You got to put in your financial details as well, such as company registration, tax registration, annual online transaction volume, and everything else. You also have a stakeholders options over here. If you have some, you can go ahead and add your stakeholders over here. If you're not, then you're good to go. Then you also have information about your products and services. So you have to input your information about your product and all of the services that you provide over here. Then you do have the account settings. This is where you can change your settings, and then you have documents as well. So here you're going to input your business document, company ownership document. If you have tax identification, valid proof of address, and other important documents, you will have your summary as well in here. So you got to make sure you input all the information. Then once it's done, you will have to wait for a couple of days to hear from to check out, and they will be sending you an email once they have activated your account and once you are good to go. Since I don't have time for that, I'll just save this information for later, and now I'm going to show you how you can basically activate it. So to activate it, as you can see over here, we have to log into checkout account. Once we've activated it, we have to access the integrations options. Then we have to go into webhooks and under API sections in your cPanel. All right, let's go over there. Integrations over here on the left side, and underneath integrations, we have webhooks and API. So we'll go into there next. As you can see right here, now next under API section, we have to copy the merchant code and paste it within the merchant code. This is the field on this page over here. As you can see, we have the merchant code over here and we have the secret word over here. So here you will see underneath API keys, this is the secret word right here. This is the ins and we have to have it over here on the other page. So this is the secret key. This is the merchant code. We'll just copy the merchant code, come over here on our main page, and then paste the merchant code right here. Then we have to input the secret word over. So we have to scroll down. This is the secret word. We just have to click on generate to generate a word, and then click on copy, and then click on save. There we go. It's now saved. Then we just come over here and we paste it right here. Then over here, what we need to do is we've already done save settings. In the redirect URL section, we have to click enable return after sale. So just scroll down below over here. This is the ins notification. We don't need to do anything with that one. What we have to do is this one, enable return sale. So we have to click it, click over here, and then we go back over here for the redirection. So it says redirect URL section, leave blank. So Shopify will actually provide that return URL for you, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. And that's for the return method. So just select header redirect. So we come over here, we select return method header redirect, and then we just simply click on update. So there we go. It's updated configuration saved successfully. Now we are good to go. We can just activate the checkout account. You can even test your two checkout account by simulating and successful transaction. Successful and failed transactions, you can also test your two checkout setup by simulating a successful and failed transaction. So so let's go ahead and enable text and click on activate the checkout account. There we go. As you can see, this test mode is on. All transactions are simulated and customers can make real purchases through checkout.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.